Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. SANDBOX is Lina, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make these super cute pom-pom earring in just few minutes. So if you are interested in watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without a further ado, let's get started. First I will take the woolen thread and mark a small stroke using my phone and cut the strip out. Similarly, I will cut more strips of same size. I have here cut 20 small strokes of woolen thread. Now I will split them. Here I have splitted all the woolen threads. This splitting part helps us to make the pom-pom in a more fuller way. Now I will cut a small piece of woolen thread and insert it in the fork like this. Now I will wrap the splitted woolen threads into the fork like this. I will wrap all the threads. Now I will just tie the knots. And cut off the edges from both the sides. Now your pom-pom is ready. I have here made 3 more pink pom-poms and 2 pom-poms using double color pink and black. Now I will just insert these pom-pom into the earrings and your pom-pom earrings are ready. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.